lugar, sir?
Hindi naman. Speculation pa lang yun na they will take over. When the company declares bankruptcy, pwede sino magkaka-interesadong kunin yun.
So, sir, you don't see any national security issue as of this time?
We'll just be speculating. Di pa natin alam kung sino gustong pumasok, kung sino gustong mag-take over.
Joseph?
It's a restatement, I think, from the DTI that two companies will kind of like be the white knight to tide over Hanjin.
What are these companies? Philippine company?
Chinese companies, sir. Two Chinese. So that's where I think the fear or the worry comes from. Na eventually, the Chinese companies might be able to take over, not naman take over, but operate a crucial area.
But the one declaring bankruptcy is also a Chinese entity.
It's Korean, sir.
Korean,
Hanjin is Korean,
hindi
sir.
foreign pa rin. Di ganun pa rin. Bakit naman hindi tayo concerned sa ibang bansa tapos concerned tayo sa China?
So we shouldn't be concerned.
Sa ngayon nag-i-speculate pa tayo. We have to, puro chismis eh.
No, sir. It's a statement from the DTI saying two Chinese are prepared
Interested,
to.
pero hindi naman sinasabi na they are bidding for it. They will. Nagpaparamdam pa lang sila. From what I gather, mayroong Pilipinong gustong mag-take over.
Whoa. Sino, sir?
Maraming shipping. Maraming shipping magnet sa Pilipinas na can afford. So let's wait.
But
Ayun
sir,
natin.
kung halimbawa Chinese company ngayon
Kung Chinese company naman na dati nating ka-deal at wala namang problema,
walang issue.
walang issue. Kung hindi natin kilala, di siyempre we have to vet para malaman natin.